Now we're going to take a look at all the different node types that make up a hair system. To do that, we'll want to open up the outliner, Window, Outliner. And what you'll see is there are a bunch of things here that have to do with the hair itself. First is Hair System 1. And if I select that, you will see this little centroid icon here light up. Hair System 1 is actually just a selection icon. We can't move it or do anything really to it. It's just an easy way for us to get at the attributes of the global hair system. So with Hair System 1 selected, I can open the attribute editor, Control A, and go to the Hair System Shape node. And this is where we can control all of the properties of the hair system globally. And I can open up a couple of these panels so you can see what's in there. And we will, of course, examine all of this in great detail later in the course. So that's Hair System 1. Next, we've also got Hair System 1 Follicles. And if I select that in the outliner, nothing really happens in the viewport here, but those follicles are inside a group. So if I open up that group, you will see each one of the individual follicles is listed here, and I can select a few of them. And you can see that they light up here to indicate that they are selected. I'll close that group. Move on to the next thing. We've got the output curves. So if I select that group, in this case, all of the curves actually do light up as if they were selected. And those are the NURBS curves that are driving the overall system. Then we've got PFX Hair 1. If I select that, you'll see those are the actual renderable hairs. And that's what we see in a full rendering. We've also got the nucleus node. If I select that, if I dolly out a little bit, you will see we've got at the origin this little N icon. And that's the global settings for the entire nucleus simulation system. And you can see here in my attribute editor, there are a bunch of global attributes there, such as gravity and scale. And we'll deal with that later. That's a summary of all the different node types in an N-hair system.